Hi parents, I'm going to show you today how your child can use Think Central and also some tools to help them when they are stuck. When your child logs into Think Central, this is what their screen looks like. To log in, they should have a Jeffco bookmark in the left-hand corner of their screen. If for some reason it was deleted or it vanished, if you go to the Sierra Elementary webpage from the library, on the Logins tab, there is a link. You can't Google Think Central and log in from just Google. This is a special link just for Jeffco. So if the bookmark on their device is not there or doesn't work, then they need to go to sierraelementary.edu, click on Library, Logins, Think Central. Once they log in, this is what it looks like. Things to do is where they will find their assignments. My Library is where they're going to find some resources. If you click on My Library, they have a link to the actual activity workbook. They have some iTools and Mega Math. iTools are digital manipulatives. So place value chips, number lines. These are things that might help them if they're stuck. If they're done with their work early and you want them to have extra help or practice, Mega Math is a great one for extra practice. It has games that they can play, and it also has instructions. So that is another
In these
tool.
questions, you will use a fraction bar or a fraction.
Okay. But let's go back to things to do. Inside things to do, you can see what has been assigned to them. As they complete each assignment, it will vanish. You can also view old assignments if you want to look at how they did on one. My Scores is where they can view problems that they've missed. But let's go ahead and, for example, let's look at today's math, 710. Once I open it up, I press Start. Okay, so what you can do is a few things. If they're struggling, first have them look at an example. So if the example doesn't help them, then you can click Step by Step. Step by Step walks them through all the steps to solve it. And they check it as they go. So, let's say I do this one wrong, okay? It's going to say try again. If you click that magnifying glass, it actually is going to help them out or give them the answer. Okay? Then they can do that. The other thing, if I can scooch this up for you to see it. Okay, at the bottom, there's a try another question. So they can click try another, and this time they can do it without the step-by-step. So that's kind of neat. Uh-oh. Oh, no. There it is. Shrink it back. There we go. Okay. And then that time, they can try it again. and see if they've got it right. Oop. I forget. Oh, it changed. That's right. It changes the numbers when they click try again. So they can't just enter the answer before. They have to actually do it again. Okay. Anyway, they can also click textbook. And textbook might be a good tool for you. That's going to link them to this worksheet, which is going to be more concrete. This is something that you could print out if you want to work with your child, maybe one-on-one, or if your child is begging for extra practice. This is optional, but sometimes the instructions at the top are also helpful. That was the text box or textbook option. So these 3 things are great ways for them to get extra help without bothering you. So I'm going to exit out of here and show you another resource. Another thing they can do is they can go back to the Sierra Elementary. Let me go to the home page. And classrooms, teacher pages, 4th grade. Then you will see 4th grade website, and you can click any of them under any of the teachers. They're all the same. On the left-hand side, you're going to see math videos. These are the math videos that I post for them to watch every day. But of course, a lot of the kids aren't watching them. They're going straight to Think Central, and then they're wondering why they're confused. So the first thing they need to do is watch the video that goes with their lesson. These videos are made by me, and I used Think Central to help me create them. So if you click on them, it goes straight to the video.
Hi guys, this is lesson.
They're usually about 6 or 7 minutes long. Okay? So the first thing you need to ask your child is, did you watch the video? The second thing is remind them to use those tools on Think Central. After that, if they're still struggling, please have them email me, and then I can make them their own video to help them with what they need help on. So, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, please email me, and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you.